Like, don't touch my hair, but don't touch my bag. Hey curl friends, it's underscore sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this one is going to be a very special feature, a black owned business, a female owned business, a female empowered, black empowered business, and one of the first that I've seen ever do it. This video is featuring my femaler, and they have come out with a monthly I'm messing up already with a quarterly subscription. For only $30 you get up to $150 worth of products, and we are about to open this up right now. Sweetie, listen, quit playing with me. Well, I'm gonna use my broke nail. That's how we gonna get into this. There we go. I'm obsessed with the packaging, first of all, and I'm kind of upset because I didn't get my picture when it was pretty. I just got too excited.
What happened was
Okay, we gonna fold it over and sit this down.
Fix it, Jesus. Fix it, Jesus.
Okay. This is, I love the safety. So now I know everything in here is coming to me nice and intact. I thought I smelled something good. I think I do smell something good. I don't know. So, got that. Gonna pop that later. Let's get into what it says about our femaler, because I'm getting the full experience with y'all. Get your glow on with your summer femaler. Take a look at what's inside. This is so cute. Use. Like, don't touch my hair, but don't touch my bag. Okay, catchy. Let's see. Okay. Adama.
Who said that? Who had been saying that? Who said that? Who said that?
We don't know, but we not gonna clock me. Wide satin headband. I like that. It's like a perfect, let me see. Oh, it's so much space. Let's see how this goes. Y'all, I'm so cute. I'm keeping it on. Quit playing. What else? Shadavi hair, skin, and nail whole food vitamins. We've got some Urban Skin RX 3-in-1 cleansing bar. I want to smell it. Quit playing. Very refreshing. They're giving me minty. Give me a little tea tree. I like that. And I like that it's a mini. Like, this would be perfect size to travel with. And it comes with a sponge inside. Like, perfect for like a little 3-day weekend. Ooh. We love us some Cream of Nature edge control. And that's that on that. That's that on that. This combined with that Cream of Nature snot, they're not going anywhere. Your edges. Those are your edges for days. So make sure your little swoopty swoops is laid. Breakup, breakage, leave-in conditioner. This is a full size. Both of these are full size products. grown up, big girl size products, okay? $30, it's full size. Okay. I am femaler out. So pretty. So pretty. I can probably wear this to work.
Oh, I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna do that anyway because that's how I am.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this one. Oh, there we go. Make way. See what this color is looking like. This is quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Look how pretty. No, but stop trying to find my face. Do you not see that? That is so gorgeous and pigmented. I cannot wait to see what that color does.
But wait, there's more.
Very interested. Very much my color. Now, I've been told that there is an LED
Excuse me?
light and mirror. Now we're about to get the full effect. We're gonna peel. It says peel me off. Did. Step 1. Bam. Step 2. And we're gonna, I kind of like how this smells too. And this is my, like, a perfect, did they know they were sending this to a chocolate girl?
What is the truth?
I'm not even lying, y'all. This is a really good gloss. Like, do y'all? It's like a perfect nude for me. Did y'all know y'all was sending this to me? Like, personally? Was this personally packaged? And the name of the color is gold because this is gold. Head, shoulders, lips, and goals. Lips and goals.
Do you want your man or not? Do you know your plans or not?
Put me on the track. Hot girl summer. And last but not least, this super cute, I really want to put this on my laptop. This super cute sticker. Those matter. I'm obsessed with this. Like, I think this is so cute. I'm gonna leave the information for the femaler down in the description box, or if this is IGTV, wherever the description is, that's where it's at. If this makes it to YouTube, it's down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about the femaler, feel free to DM me on Instagram, send me an email. You can say something in the comments below. I will respond. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because I definitely enjoyed getting into all of this, okay? And we'll see you in the next one. So y'all mean to tell me this whole video y'all wasn't gonna tell me my little space bun was lopsided? Y'all wasn't gonna say nothing? Ghetto.
Crack is cheap.